chair to me. Get a load and bust it down. I wish Lil Bree was here with me. I ain't popping out alone. Them cleanups came in here with me. And you knew we came correct. A nigga, please, man, got shot. He got hit all up in his neck. I can't be fucking with them thighs, cause my little bitch, that bitch the best. They know soon as we get a Johnny, we go put all them drops to test. I'm trying to get rich just like I'm Rowdy and put them killers on the jet. Seen an op of my hot and then I ran. I thought I wet him. I ain't even had my man shit. If I thought I would've stretched him. I can finger with 2 hands and with the right, I ain't no lefty. Bro gon' blow us high, I already know I ain't got second guessing. I'ma run that money up for all them times the bitches left. Never cuff her, I fucked and I straight try fuck on her bestie.